Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are making fresh green maize straight from the garden. First, I remove some of the outer leaves and the silk because this keeps the maize clean and also makes it easier to eat. Then into a sufuria, I will add water, a little salt, and then add the maize, then cover them for a few minutes and let them cook. So once ready, I remove them, peel the maize and place the eggs into cold water to stop overcooking. As that cools, I prepare my tomato puree with garlic and start frying my onions. So I added my spices for seasoning and then I let them cook until they were golden brown. Next, I pour in the tomato puree and stir everything together until combined and slightly thick. I then add the chopped dania stems and let them cook for a few minutes to bring out that best flavor. After that, I add in all the ready cut maize and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. At this point, I added a little water, just enough to help it cook through. Then later, I let it simmer for another 5 minutes until everything is well cooked and nicely blended. And just like that, our dish is ready. I serve it with the boiled eggs and some fresh kachumbari on the side. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and even subscribe for more delicious meals and recipes. Thank you and bye.